welcome back. This is Kasra and this is the second part of installing AppStack on a Mac. In the last part, I showed you how to start your Apache server. So your local host will be available. Now I'd like to show you how to add a simple PHP file here so it can show you some information about your PHP. If you check the PHP-V, you should be able to see a PHP version already installed on your Mac because it comes with the Mac OS. In my case, my version is PHP 7.3.11. Before we've been able to run this code, we have to make sure that the configuration in Apache config file is correctly set. So I would like to show you under the subdirectory of etc apache and then httpd.conf, you have this file. The majority of the lines are commented, but you have to uncomment a few lines. One of them is the line regarding PHP. So in my file, it's line number 186. You have to make sure that there is no # before this. This should be deleted and uncommented. Then you have to go and also uncomment this line as well as this line 555. Once you do it, make sure you save and quit with any text editor that you like. And now that we know our PHP is configured correctly, we can go to the Finder and go to the document root of the Apache server. If you don't know what is the document root, you can simply just search for the directory roots on your config file, and here on line 255 you can see what is the default root directory of your machine. So in my case is library web server documents. So I'll go there and start creating a simple PHP file that will just print the system log. PHP info function. I call this function and I close the tag. So I now go and save this as info.php and I'll put it in the root directory of documents. I'll save it now. Oh, I don't have permission here. What I can do is to use Vim and I can do it with the terminal. So here I can build this file. I named it info.php, and inside, as I explained, I add the PHP tag. And in the second row, in the second line, I just simply call the function info PHP info, sorry, and I close the tab. So I forgot to put the sudo at the beginning of the line. I add sudo now to make sure that I'm able to actually add these lines. And close that. Make sure you save and quit. So let's see if we can see the web page now. Yes, it's up and running here. Thanks for watching, and in the next part I will explain how to make sure our MySQL is installed and up and running.